morning, friends. You are welcome again. So, now we are going to start how to save a folder or how to create a folder and how to save on our desktop or laptop. So, this is our laptop screen. So, now we are go just this is our cursor. So, just right click to your mouse. You find out this views, short folders, short by, refresh, undo, delete, and this is new. When you click on new, then you find your right side. This is a folder. So just click on folder. So this folder is now there. So you can rename it by your name, by your family name, any whatever the documents you require, that name you have to put over this. So I just put here sati satin. So it is saved as satin. So this is now saved, created and saved on our desktop or laptop screen. So now you can do anything. You can open it and save your documents here. So thank you very much. If you think it is video is very useful to you, please like, and please, if you new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.